The tool that I'm about to share with you today is going to change the entire game for content creators, so keep watching. As content creators and entrepreneurs looking to build our brand and business on social media, we always have to be producing high quality content for our audiences. However, we all know that inspiration doesn't always come falling from the sky. Sometimes we reach creative blocks when we can't really find the right ideas to create content for our audience, or when we do have the ideas, we lack in creativity for developing these ideas, whether it is a blog post or a YouTube video or a social media post. The hardest part when you're still in the solopreneur phase, when you're actually doing everything on your own, from sourcing ideas, reading the content, engaging, building your business, building your email list. There's so many things that you have to do on your own. This can become quite overwhelming for many people. But the dog days are over, my friend, and let me introduce you to Chat GPT. So you've probably heard about Chat GPT all over social media, but you're still wondering what it is. Well, it's basically artificial intelligence doing the hard work for you. A natural language processing model developed by OpenAI. It's an artificial intelligence tool capable of generating human-like responses to prompts, questions given to it, which makes it an excellent tool for content creators. Using Chat GPT is extremely simple. You just have to give it a prompt or a question, and it will generate an answer based on the information it has been trained on. Chat GPT has access to a vast amount of data, including books, articles, websites, etc., which allows it to generate responses that are highly relevant and informative. So here are some of the key benefits of using Chat GPT as a content creator or entrepreneur. So let's go back to what I said previously. Let's say that you're a content creator and you're planning out your content for the next month, but you're not lucky. You don't have enough ideas, or you feel like the ideas that you have are not good enough or not relevant enough. This is when Chat GPT comes into play. Chat GPT will help you save time. Let's say you're working in multiple projects, or you have to create content for your blog, for your new sales page, social media, for your email newsletter. There are so many things that you have to do on your own, and you're not feeling lucky, you're not feeling creative. Chat GPT can help you provide content ideas to put into each of these different platforms, which increases efficiency for your business because you're getting all these content ideas sourced for you that are extremely relevant to the question or the prompt that you asked. Now you have a list of content ideas which you can start creating content around. So I just typed the following into Chat GPT. Let's take a look. 10 relevant DIY content ideas for work from home moms. And it generated these following ideas. Number 1, setting up a home office. Tips for creating a productive and comfortable workspace in your home. Number 2, time management strategies for balancing work and parenting responsibilities. Number 3, healthy meals and snacks that can be prepared quickly during breaks or after work. Number 4, home organization and decluttering ideas to make your living space more functional and efficient. Number 5, easy and affordable home repair and maintenance projects to tackle on the weekends. Number 6, outdoor activities and projects to keep kids entertained and engaged during the school year. Number 7, simple and inexpensive craft ideas for kids and adults to do together at home. Number 8, DIY skincare and self-care routines to pamper yourself during busy work weeks. Number 9, home workout routines and exercises that can be done with minimal equipment and space. And number 10, tips for staying mentally healthy and reducing stress while working from home with children. Isn't that incredible? You have 10 super valuable and relevant content ideas ready for you to start creating content. Now, this is only the start. You can actually take these content ideas, and from these, you can generate an actual social media post or blog post or article or email newsletter. This is crazy. Another great benefit of using ChatGPT is that it will eventually improve the quality of your content. Since it has been trained on such a vast amount of data, the responses that it will produce are very detailed, informative, and relevant, which will result in higher quality content and a more engaged audience. ChatGPT also offers flexibility since it can create from entire blog posts to newsletters for email to social media posts for Instagram or Twitter or scripts for YouTube videos. anything you are looking for. And it's also a collaborative tool, which means that if you have a team or someone working with you, you can generate ideas together in real time. Now, let's take a look at how you can use Chat GPT for your content creation business. Here's a very simple step-by-step. The first thing you have to do is set up an account with OpenAI. This is a very simple process. It's just sign up with your email and you're ready to go. Then you're going to choose a prompt. You're going to type in a prompt. This could be either a question or it can be a topic you want Chat GPT to write an article on. Once you provide Chat GPT with a prompt, it will generate a list of responses. You can choose the one that you believe resonates the most with your brand, with your business, with your voice, and developing it further. And the last step is to edit and revise. Yes, artificial intelligence can write an entire blog post for your brand. However, it doesn't mean that it will sound naturally like you. It will provide with excellent insights and information which you can use to expand on. If you're writing a blog post, for example, you can take what ChatGPT gives you as the first draft and rewrite it with your own voice, and you can add extra things. In addition to creating written content, ChatGPT can also be used to create visual content like graphics, images, and video. This has not been developed fully yet, but it's about to come, and it's gonna be a game changer for content creators who rely on visuals like us. So that's it, my friends. That's what ChatGPT is. That's how you can use it for your business or your brand to create content, to create a first draft for your blog posts, for your articles, to create content ideas, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, etc. And just so you know, this entire script was written by ChatGPT. I obviously changed some things, made sure that my voice was there, that it sounded like me, but the base of this entire video was written by ChatGPT. Mind-blowing, right? Now, if you learned something new, if you like this video, don't forget to like. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for more social media tips for creators and entrepreneurs. See ya!